Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Paul. I'm a Year 2 Geography student and course rep, and I'm here this afternoon just to give you a quick oversight into the using of the DigiRep services. Due to the lack of face-to-face, this is the best way for you to present any ideas, complaints, concerns, or even praise in relation to your course. Just a simple step-by-step guide to hopefully help you all through it. So your best starting point is the JMSU homepage. If you're not registered, it's easy enough to do. Just click on Your Voice down to the DigiRep section, opens onto a separate screen. Then click on the highlighted DigiRep at the bottom and it'll open up a screen like this where it tells you if there's anything open or not. And then all you need to do is if you wanted to raise a concern or an idea about your course. So I'll go with the concern. It automatically defaults to the course that you're studying, and if you change your mind once you've opened the box, you can change it to what you want to do instead. So you make sure you've got the right area ticked, put a quick title. So I'm going to go with an employability skill issue, and I'm just going to raise a concern over the lack of face-to-face teaching and field trips and see if we can get anyone to look at that for us. So once I've put that through, if you wish, you can post it anonymously, but it's harder to give any feedback if it's done that way. Just submit it. And when the system catches up, it won't show at the moment. You've sent your idea, concern, or praise through. That will then go through. Your course rep will be notified of what has been logged. So at any time of day, whenever you do it, we'll get the notification. We'll then go through it, see whether we can action anything on it. If we're not comfortable, we'll take it up with the authorities above us and we'll get it looked at for you. And then the next step will be to show you what happens once we've received it as course rep. So once you've made the suggestion or comment, complaint, whatever, and it's been authorized by your rep, if you go back to your home screen, so back into Your Voice, back to Digital Rep, and it loads up. And then you'll see on your home screen that your idea is now showing. So if I click back on that for you, so then there's a summary of what the message was. You've got the option for people to like it or even dislike it if they don't agree with it, an option box for them to place any comments. But if you're worried about people making any derogatory comments or getting nasty towards you, don't worry. Everything that comes through is monitored and checked by both your course rep and, if need be, the student union itself. So anything like that that's derogatory, nasty, will be dealt with, and it won't be anything for you to worry about. But from there, especially if it's an idea that you think it's something needs to be improved, the more likes you get, the more it's going to be looked into. So if you can get 30 likes on an issue, then that will be raised further. So it's up to you to share if you've made a request for an idea and to keep an eye on it yourself just to make sure what's being done and any feedback you get. But any concerns about any of this at any stage, approach your course rep, your faculty rep, or even the student union itself. There's always people you can check and ask if you're worried about anything. That's what we're here for. We're here to help.